guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement. Let's start with number. Number is the form a word takes to indicate whether the word is singular or plural. A word that refers to one person, place, thing, or idea is singular in number. A word that refers to more than one is plural in number. For example, singular, computer, half hour, story, this, it. In contrast, things that are plural in number: computers, half hours, stories, these, they. Agreement of subject and verb. A verb should agree in number with its subject. Rule number 1. Singular subjects take singular verbs. For example, my father trains horses. Father is a singular subject, so it takes a singular verb, which is trains. Another example. The senator is in favor of the bill. Senator is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb is. Another example. He owns and operates a video store. He is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular compound verb owns and operates. Another example. That is beautiful. That is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb is. Rule number 2. Plural subjects take plural verbs. For example, my parents train horses. Parents is a plural subject, therefore it takes a plural verb, train. Another example. Many senators are in favor of the bill. Senators, a plural subject, takes are, a plural verb. Another example. They own and operate a video store. They, a plural subject, takes own and operate, plural verbs. Those are beautiful. Those, a plural subject, takes are, a plural verb. In a verb phrase, the first helping verb agrees in number with the subject. For example, this song was performed by Cool Country. Song is a singular subject, therefore it takes a singular verb phrase. However, if the sentence is, these songs were performed by Cool Country, songs is a plural subject and were performed is a plural verb phrase. Another example. Has the dancer been rehearsing since noon? Dancer is the singular subject and has been rehearsing is the singular verb phrase. Have the dancers been rehearsing since noon? Dancers is the plural subject, and have been rehearsing is the plural verb phrase. A gerund phrase or an infinitive phrase used as a complete subject takes a singular verb. Do not be misled by any particular noun in the phrase. The gerund or infinitive serves as a singular simple subject. For example, writing verses for greeting cards sounds like an interesting job. The singular verb sounds is used because the gerund writing, not the noun verses or cards, is the subject of the verb. For example, to compete in the Olympics is Usain's goal. The singular verb is used because the infinitive to compete, not the noun Olympics, is the subject of the verb. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.